welcome to another awesome video. In this one, we'll be learning about the JavaScript Visibility API. Now, this API is really simple. It has two attributes named hidden and visibility state, and an event called visibility change. Now, hidden is basically a Boolean value which returns true if the page is hidden and false if not, whereas visibility state is a string value which represents the state of the document. For example, visible, hidden, preview, or pre-render. Then we have the event visibility change, which fires on state changes. For example, currently I'm viewing this page, so the visibility is visible. Now, if I go ahead and open up a new tab, what will happen is this particular page is now hidden. So we can do certain set of actions based on whether the page is visible or not. For example, we can pause a playing video when the user is not viewing the page. Similarly, we can slow down update cycle from server when the page is not actively viewed. We can also stop CPU intensive animation when the user is not viewing the page. And this is pretty simple actually. So here, to demonstrate, we are playing this video now. And what I'll do now is I'll switch over to the next tab. Notice the timeline, 13 seconds. Now if I go to the previous tab, this video has been paused because the state of the page has changed from visible to hidden. If I go back over here, it will resume from that point onwards. Now if I go back again on a new tab, this will pause. See, so that's how easy it is to implement this. Now let's go ahead and see how we have done it. So here we have this video which is hosting a local file, and then over here all we are doing is binding that visibility change event, and we are checking whether the document is hidden or not. If it's hidden, we are pausing the video, and if it's not, we are playing the video. And that's how easy it is to implement this, and that's a very nice, neat feature where you are aware of users' behavior and accordingly take care of such concerns like the video should be paused then and there, and it should not be playing in the background consuming some bandwidth when the user is not actively watching that page.